Hi everyone, I'm Nelly Morena and today I will show you a makeup in violet tones. It's a very nice makeup, very fresh, so just stay here and watch it.
I'm beginning by cleansing the skin with Micell cleansing water, as I want to remove the dirt from the pores. The second step is the primer. The primer is really hydrating and it gives a glowy finish to the skin. For the full preparation of the skin, it's very important to hydrate the lips. I'm hydrating them with HyE Rich Lip Conditioner. I'm applying now Longwear foundation in shade 1Y30, as my model has a slightly yellowish skin undertone. My model has violet circles under the eyes. I'm neutralizing them with a yellowish shade. The color name is Ginger. To highlight the middle of the face, I'm using a neutral shade in N15. The color name is Bone. I'm setting the makeup with Setting Smooth Loose Powder in color Neutral Light. The powder has a rice base and it's very smooth to the skin. When I'm setting the makeup, I like to work very precise. That's why I'm using first a smaller brush for the smaller parties on the skin, and after that I'm applying the powder with a bigger brush. Next step is the contouring. I'm using for this contour powder in shade Natural Shadow. It's very nice powder for lighter skin tones. The color of this powder is really nice because it doesn't have a red undertone. It's really cool and it fits so good for a natural shadow on the skin. I'm applying it also in the crease of the eyes for a natural effect, and I'm contouring nose and the lips to create more volume. I'm using as base for the eyes Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick in shade Gaga Mood. The formula of the lipstick is very soft that fits perfectly for eyes, cheeks and lips. I'm blending it with a blending brush and I'm creating a soft shadow like a smoky effect. I'm using for the eyes Pearl Pigment in shade Ultraviolet. I'm applying it in outer corner of the eyes. In the middle of the eyelids I'm applying Pigment SABLE Rose. To highlight the inner corner, I'm applying Pearl Pigment Sensation. I love this pigment because you can highlight also over the cheekbones, middle of the face, and also can be mixed with Hydrating Primer for a glowy finish on the face. I like to keep my makeup very puristic, that's why I'm creating an eyeliner in a very graphic shape. I'm applying the eyeliner as a winged and also in the crease of the eyes to create an interesting cat eyes look. This effect looks for me very fashionable. To complete the makeup, I'm applying mascara and I glue some lashes in outer corner to complete the cat eyes look. I'm applying on cheeks powder blush in shade Butterfly. This color is very fresh and tender. As highlighter, I'm applying Pearl Pigment Sensation. As I told you before, guys, this pigment is a perfect highlighter. To fill the eyebrows, I'm using ID Brow Gel in shade Ash Brown. She has already a very nice shape. I'm just filling in the gaps and I'm creating more volume. With the same color and with an eyeliner brush, I'm creating some freckles on the skin. This effect I like very much for a summery makeup. Instead of a lip pencil, I'm using contour powder in shade Natural Shadow. I'm creating a lip line, so this color for me looks very natural. It's perfect for nude lips. The lipstick in shade Naked completes my makeup look. To keep the moisture in the lips, I'm applying HyE Rich Lip Conditioner. My model is ready now. You can see the before and the after. I think she is looking like a doll. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments, and if you like it, like this video and save it. See you next time. Bye bye.